Hello, today I'll be showing you how to sign in to your OneSearch account on SJSU. We're going to be starting at library.sjsu.edu. That'll take us to the library homepage. And instead of starting with a search, we're going to go ahead and here in the right hand corner, we're going to click on My Accounts. When you click on that link, it'll bring up the various accounts you have access to as an SJSU or SJPL patron. For OneSearch, we're going to click on the very first one on this list. Here we go. And that'll bring up the OneSearch page. Over here in the top right hand corner, you'll notice Sign In. We're going to click on that. And depending on your status, if you're an SJSU student or faculty member, you can click on the top one. If you are a member of the public, you can still create an account. You use the bottom link. For the purposes of this video, we're going to be going through the SJSU student sign-in process. Let's go ahead and click on that one. And it'll take you to the SJSU login page. The login information you'll have will be the same information you use to log into My SJSU as well as Canvas. So you'll go ahead and enter your information there, and we're clicking on Sign In. And if all goes well, you'll now be logged into OneSearch. Now, this is helpful because it will allow you access to some material, such as requesting materials from other CSU libraries, viewing full search results, renew your checked out materials, create favorite lists and save your citations, as well as exporting citations to RefWorks.